Happy Saturday, everybody. So today we're going to do the Noirgarita. Noirgarita is my margarita using Noir de Noir. We are creating some amazing cocktails with it. Let's get this rocking. Let's do the lime juice. Half a cup of lime juice, half a cup of simple syrup, put it in a pitcher. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. If it's just a couple of you guys by yourself tonight, this is great leftovers for tomorrow. The simple syrup, I use a brand, I can only get this down in Mexico, can't find it up here. It's called Jarabe, and it's just 1 part water, 1 part sugar. Normally I make my own. I use organic sugar, and I don't need this. But last time I was down in Mexico, I saw this on the shelf. I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna bring that home. Half a cup of Grand Marnier. So here's the Grand Marnier going in. The other brand too, which I mentioned in my recipe, was COINTREAU. Triple sec is close second. Great orange flavor. Here's the funny thing. I heard a few years ago that this company makes this exact same product for Patron. It's like 3 times the price. So, the original, COINTREAU, love it. If not, triple sec. Now, we'll do a cup of Noir de Noir, which is right here. That's a half a cup there, full cup here. Actually, the COINTREAU is 1 cup, so let me put the other half in there. Full cup. And then next we'll do 2 cups of tequila. I love using reposado when I'm making margaritas. Remember, Blanco is agave that's been distilled. Stage 1, right? It's white and pure, no aging, Blanco. The next level is reposado. Reposado is aging in a barrel from 1 to 18 months. That's the only way it can be called reposado, if it's aged for that length of time. 19 months to 24 to 36 months is añejo, and then 36 months to maybe 72 months is ultra añejo. So it basically means the aging process of the tequila throughout how much time in the barrel. So I love reposado, 2 cups. I'm gonna need some water as well. A half a cup of water. People ask me, why do you do a half a cup of water? Water actually helps any drink have a fuller mouthfeel. That's just because of the pH in the water itself. You just get a fuller mouthfeel, and it cuts this down a little bit, but I don't do it for that. I do it for mouthfeel. And when you taste it now without the water, it's a little bit more smashy in the face. So with the water, it definitely softens it up a bit. Half a cup of water. Orange juice, half a cup of orange juice. There we go. Now this is the best time, right? Now we gotta stir it. Let's give this a nice stir. And then you have to taste it. You always have to taste it, right? That's also the fun part too, tasting. For me, I'm tasting sweetness. I'm tasting citrus, you know, lime, so that's sourness. And I also don't want it to burn the back of my throat. I want to feel it, like, you know, when you drink hard alcohol, you can feel it, but it has to be pleasing. And then with the Noir de Noir, has a little pop of that grapiness to it. For me right now, this is 100% winner. So, and then tahini. Listen, I love tahini. So I'm gonna go ahead and rim it real quick with a lime. Tahini. They're not sponsoring me, trust me, but this is tahini. Take my lime, take the rim, go around it like this. So now it's all moist, and then just dip it right down. Just move it around a little bit so you have enough coverage on the rim. That's exactly what you're looking for, that type of coverage. I'm gonna grab some ice. Throw in a little bit of Noirgarita. It is strong. Squeeze the lime. Drop it in. Thank you so much for joining us. Enjoy. Cheers. Okay, so that's amazing.